how to make G major 67 on Android. First, we're gonna go to this, my favorite kind of music speed changer. Pitches plus 17 plus 12 minus 12. Now go to Align Motion. Now go to, I'm gonna say all the Vegas Pro effects. Let's press first effect, go to light rays, press it Scowy, add another effect, add Gradient Map 2, color 2 is black, color 1 is white. Now we're gonna go to, now we're gonna go to, okay. Now go to the pinch punch. Okay, let's go to pinch punch. Radius. Like that. Sound off. Okay. Plus audio. And now we're gonna fix it. Export. Save. Now go to KineMaster. Now go to, hold on, wait a minute. Now go to images. That player on motion. Okay. Let's put it like that. It's checked. Now zoom. Put zoom. Now go to animation. Overall. Okay. Put on. Put on shake. Now this is the result. Now save it. Okay, press circle to exit. Now go on YouTube to your channel. Okay. Okay, press video. And then select more media. Now go to G major 67. I'm gonna type in title and description because I made it. At description, I made G major 67 on Android. Okay, you don't want to hear that because. And now I'm gonna put 100. Okay. I'm gonna use microphone for now. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. %. Okay. Okay, I can't find percent anywhere. Okay, there it is. Percent word. Okay. Worked. Now, upload. I'm gonna put it as not set because everybody could watch it. Bye.